Mr. Speaker, Bar Town has been severely affected by recent floods, and the contributing factor, of course, is the excessive rain that's happening at the catchment and downstream as well. But one of the ways to quickly solve that problem, to some extent, is to clear off the Bar River so that the excessive water that comes downstream can be discharged in a shortest period of time. Mr. Speaker, 2015 was the last time when Bar River was dredged. Following that, we thought that Bar River could be cleared by a company which is undertaking iron ore mining. Unfortunately, that company has their own interest. We have decided that we will dredge the Bar River 5 kilometers downstream from the Bar Bridge and 14 kilometers upstream from the Bar Bridge, a total of 19 kilometers. We have advertised calling for expression of interest from private sector to partner with us to undertake dredging of the Bar River. The expression of interest closed last Friday. We wish to select not one but a number of companies and engage them in cleaning up the Bar River and pay the royalty and take the material and sell it, and they can make the money. Of course, there are certain processes that need to be followed, which our part we are undertaking. For example, we are now undertaking scoping of the entire 19 kilometer. We will be getting the fishing rights waiver. We'll be going through taking the process through Ministry of Lands to fulfill all the obligations there. And then with the concurrence of Ministry of Lands, we'll be engaging a number of operators to dredge Bar River. Mr. Speaker, if we had to do that, it will cost us no less than about $3 million, total of 1.5 cubic meters of silt material that needs to be dredged from Bar River. The last time we did 1.4 million cubic meters of silt material was excavated 4 times, starting from 2012 to 2015. So, Mr. Speaker, if everything goes good as per plan, we intend to engage the number of contractors maybe in a few months' time. Mr. Speaker, there's one hurdle. The river mouth has an exclusive license to the mining companies. We're in discussion with them through Ministry of Lands to do the rightful thing, to move the machine to open up the river mouth. If they don't do that, then we will have to relook at the contract because they can't hold the Bar community at ransom. Thank you.